Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a package on Vagaro. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank you for watching this video. I know that there are a lot of other channels out there that cover similar topics, so I appreciate you choosing to watch mine. Now, let's get started. What is a package? Before we can learn how to make a package, we need to understand what a package is. In Vagaro, a package is a group of services or products that are sold together at a discounted price. Packages are a great way to increase your revenue and offer your clients more value. How to create a package. Now that we know what a package is, let's learn how to create one. Log in to your Vagaro account. Click on the Packages tab. Click on the Create New Package button. Enter a name for your package. Select the services or products that you want to include in your package. Set a price for your package. Click on the Save button. Tips for creating successful packages. Now that you know how to create a package, here are a few tips for creating successful packages. Offer a discount. This will encourage clients to purchase your package instead of individual services or products. Include a variety of services or products. This will give your clients more value for their money. Make your packages easy to understand. Use clear and concise language when describing your packages. Promote your packages. Let your clients know about your packages by adding them to your website, social media pages, and email newsletters. Additional resources. If you want to learn more about how to make a package on Vagaro, here are a few additional resources. Vagaro Help Center. Invalid URL removed. Vagaro blog. Invalid URL removed. I hope this video has helped you learn how to make a package on Vagaro. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.